The moment you step off the train, signs are everywhere pointing you to the world-famous cheese market. And fair enough, it's quite impressive. I'll cover it fully in another video, so subscribe. But today I want to show you this historic city from angles most visitors never see. Hi, I'm Wendy, and today I'll show you why Noord-Holland is the Netherlands' cultural capital, from the streets to the canals. Meet Noord-Holland, the Netherlands Museum capital. This province got so rich and powerful that Holland became known as the country's nickname. All that maritime money built incredible cultural collections, and Alkmaar shows exactly where those treasures landed. Alkmaar is home to over 100,000 people living in a city that's actually older than Amsterdam, founded around 900 AD and getting its official city rights in 1254. While Amsterdam gets all the fame, Alkmaar quietly perfected the art of being authentically Dutch. But here's their secret. While everyone was watching the cheese, the city has been collecting world-class cultural treasures for centuries. 6 museums, historic breweries, medieval canals, and yes, even a quirky peeing bear statue that'll make you smile. This city doesn't compete with Amsterdam. It just does its own thing better. And that includes modern life too. Locals shop, work, and live here in a city that seamlessly blends medieval charm with contemporary Dutch life. So I'm going to take you to a couple of cultural sites. One is going to be the largest collection of Beatles memorabilia and also a beer museum, but I promise you, this boat ride tour is going to have some fascinating looks at this beautiful city. Come with me. Our boat tour guide is pointing out all these historic buildings, and I'm really trying hard to follow along, but clearly my sense of direction needs some work. You'll see what I mean.
The last house to the right is the house with the cannonball. It is called the house with the cannonball because the Spanish fired a cannonball into the building in 1573. You can still see it hanging in the top left-hand corner above the date, 1573.
Where? I don't see it. Oh, I see it.
Yeah. These bridges were built a long time ago when boats were much smaller. So now every canal tour becomes a ducking exercise as we squeeze under these famously low bridges. So do keep that in mind when you're visiting this city. This building is from 1714 and it was a home for elderly ladies. And now you see the Savior's Church that was built in 1933. But in 1993, the Housing Association converted it into 19 apartments. And this is a triple step gable that was originally used as an orphanage, but such a beautiful piece of architecture. Now you can see Pete's Mill. It's a round stone platform mill built in 1769. It no longer mills corn, but as you can see, the sails still turn. There's so much to see here during this boat tour, but now I want to get back on land and show you a couple of other spots. Meet Alkmaar's other claim to fame, the National Beer Museum. Located in the historic De Boom Brewery, this place has been teaching visitors about years of brewing history. And yes, there's a bar downstairs because obviously you need to research your subject thoroughly. Your ticket gets you 3 floors of exhibits, an English audio tour on your phone, plus a map for a beer walk through the city center. The guided tours are in Dutch though, and they need advance booking, but the audio tour works perfectly for English speakers. Plus, they include tastings of 2 specialty beers. So I'm on my way to the Beatles Museum, and I just think this is hilarious. It is called the Peeing Bear, and basically this is a part of an exhibition regarding global warming, and it shows the disregard this bear has for our habitat because we have such disregard for his habitat. Leave it to the Dutch to come up with something this cool. Welcome to the world's largest Beatles Museum, 1,800 square meters of Beatles memorabilia collected by one person. But your 15-euro ticket gets you 4 museums in one, including an Elvis Presley collection. You get to see merchandise, LPs, original clothes, and gold albums. They even have a coffee corner. And I would say it takes about 2 hours to see everything. From world-class music collections to peeing bears, boat tours to this adorable kiss and cheese girl statue, Alkmaar proves that the best travel discoveries happen when you look beyond the obvious. Don't just visit the cheese market, explore the whole cultural story, and whatever you do, keep enjoying the journey. Next week, we head to the province of Utrecht and visit the medieval city of Amersfoort. Thanks for watching.